Hey there! So hopefully you guys got through that warm up and were able to read those thermometers and answer those questions okay. What I want to kind of walk through you guys with is just this page. Just give a little instruction on what really I'm looking for. So this video, I'm gonna start each question, kind of get you guys started on a good note. So if you want to kind of pause it as we go, because I'm just gonna run through the first couple. But you guys are more than welcome to pause it and watch it as you guys need to. So the first question is talking about how far above or below sea level is each animal, and we want to measure to their eye level. So if you guys look on this graph, we have this vertical position up here. That is for sea level. So sea level is at 0, and we have above sea level and below sea level. If you guys notice, above sea level has positive numbers, and below sea level has negative numbers. So we have sea level, everything above it's positive, everything below it is negative. So if we want to measure at each animal's eye level, and you guys can kind of spot gauge it. This is the bird, dolphin, octopus, shark, stingray, fish. Kind of went up and down and over for you guys if you couldn't tell what they were. If you are having any difficulty measuring from the eye level, you guys are more than welcome to add lines here. So here's kind of where the birds is. That's a little bit lower, but you can move it up. You can see the bird is at 10. So you would just say over here, bird is at 10 meters, and do the same thing for the rest of the animals. Be sure you guys are using your units, as well as if it is a negative below that sea level, you guys are indicating that, because it's really hard to do the rest of the questions if your original numbers are not correct. So the second part says that the Mobile Ray is 3 meters above the surface of the ocean. How does its distance compare to the surface of the ocean compared to the distance from the eyes of the animal? So that is a lot of words. All this is asking is that if I have this animal that is, I'm going to draw a little shape for it. So I have this ray that is around 3 meters above the surface. So my ray is going to be about right there. How does that compare to the distance from the surface of the dolphin? So if we look at the dolphin and we look at where this stingray is, they are about the same. So for dolphin, I would say the distance is 0 meters. They are the exact same. They are both around 3 meters away. That also gives you a hint for number 1 if you've made it this far. So you're just going to measure each distance from that initial dot. So we know it's 3 meters away. If we go back to our bird, which it doesn't ask us about, so I'll just kind of go in details with that. The bird is 10 meters away. We know that this ray is now 3. So 10 minus 3, that bird would be 7 meters away from the ray. And that's all it's asking. The same thing with number 3. And then for number 4, again, you kind of have another dolphin. It's also 3 meters away. You guys can do with that as you will. So again, if you guys have any questions on that, hopefully that kind of clears things up. Feel free, go Guardian. You can hop on Zoom and talk to me. If you're in one of my co-talk classes, you can talk to any of us. But go ahead and work through these and let us know if you guys need anything.